Alright guys, Triumph dirt bike update. So some of you guys get really mad at me if I don't show you really good views of some of these jokes or renders or memes of these Triumph dirt bikes that have circulated over the last couple years. So let's look at a few together right now, and I promise I'll let you see the whole bike. We'll start off with this one. This was one of the earlier ones. I've been using this in the backdrop of most of my videos just because I thought it was most obvious that this was a Husky and not anything to do with Triumph and just a funny little render. Most of you guys did not take it that way. Here's one that popped up on Vital MX last year. Again, clearly this was something that BMW or Aprilia or something did years ago. Clearly would not cut it in modern day motocross at all. Funny though, cool. Here's another one that's clearly just a render and not even that well done. It is a cool render, but honestly, guys, we knew this wasn't going to be the bike. I don't know what this is, but it was used in some Triumph, pre-production, post-reveal threads and stuff across the internet. Pretty funny. So this still shot from this leaked video that came out, I don't know, it was 3 or 4 months ago now. This is the only shot we think might be the actual Triumph for sure. I can't remember who they said, was this Clement DeSalle, or I can't remember, somebody was testing this maybe in South America or something, so that's probably as close as we've got to the actual bike. But then a new one popped up in the last few days, at least for me. I hadn't seen it before. Let's look at it. This one is the most intriguing to me. If you zoom in there, it looks the most legit, and there's a few pieces on it that didn't look like they were from other bikes to me. It's got the KYB logo on the fork guards, which we've heard from Vital was going to be a thing. It's definitely has a little like Triumph, like old school flair in it with that side number plate. What do you guys think? Is this photo legit or just another random thing that somebody made and put out there on the internet? Love to hear about it.